A stray kitten was found in a construction zone in a very bad condition. He was barely breathing and was laying down on a stone. The man who found him hurried up to take him from there and check him. His eyes were closed, dirty, without vital signs. The pulse was checked too, and it was very weak. He tried to wash his eyes and open them, but it was difficult. The poor thing was in a really bad shape, malnourished, and the man tried to make him drink some water. After a few sips, he started to open his eyes. He had no energy to stand up or even move. The man put him in a blanket to make him feel warm. He took the tiny kitten to the vet for a check, and he needed to do a treatment for 3 weeks to recover strength. Now he is healthy and happy to begin his new life. Thanks for watching.